Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your global ranking on the chess.com app using phone. Whether you're a casual player or a serious competitor, knowing where you stand globally can be both motivating and insightful. So let's get started. First, open the chess.com app on your phone device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, from that menu, tap on Stats. This section gives you a summary of your performance and ratings. After that, look toward the top right corner and tap on the Stats button again. Now you'll see different categories such as Daily, Rapid, Blitz, Bullet, Daily 960, Puzzles, and Tournaments. Choose the game type that you want to view your ranking for. Finally, after choosing the category, your global ranking will be displayed on the screen. You can also filter your ranking by time frame, such as the past 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or all time, to get a better view of your progress over time. And that's how you can quickly check your global ranking on chess.com using the Android app. Stay consistent with your games and keep improving your stats. Thanks for watching.